Hello everyone, welcome to Laravel 5.7 series this time, and in Laravel 5.7 we are going to see that how to install Laravel 5.7 and what things we are required to install Laravel 5.7, like Composer we require. First of all, Xampp or Wamp server we require, then Composer we require, then we can able to install via Composer or directly. Means okay, that all we will see in the installation of Laravel 5.7. Then in this Laravel 5.7 series, we will move forward to other things as well. Like we will find out that what's new in Laravel 5.7 means that is not there in Laravel 5.6, and we are also going to migrate our one of our project from Laravel 5.6 project to Laravel 5.7. Okay, so these things we are going to do in Laravel 5.7 series, and also later on we are going to develop one project in Laravel 5.7. Means next project we will develop in Laravel 5.7, not Laravel 5.6. So these things we are going to see in Laravel 5.7 series in the learning of Laravel 5.7. Okay, so let's start with the installation of Laravel 5.7 in this video from scratch. Okay, so we all know that Laravel is one of the most popular framework, popular PHP framework right now to develop website. And recently Laravel 5.7 has been launched. Okay, so we will learn to install Laravel 5.7 in this video. Okay, so first of all, we will install Xampp or Wamp. I am not going to install it. Actually, I will tell you that if you have not installed, then you can install it. Like I have installed it, already installed it in my F drive, and I am not going to install it again. See, my Xampp is already working. My Xampp control panel is 3.2.2, and you can install the Xampp, that latest Xampp or Wamp you can install, that is having the PHP 7.1.3. I think, yeah, this is the requirement. So first of all, I will open Laravel 5.7. Our Laravel 5.7, we will see Laravel 5.7 releases. Okay, at the first document you can able to see the Laravel 5.7. I will move forward to its installation. Okay, so I will see where is the installation, or I can simply open the installation link. Okay, from here, Laravel 5.7 installation. Okay, so here we see that we require PHP 7.1.3 greater than or equal to 7, and these extensions that we require, that or that by default must be enabled, or we need to enable in php.ini file. But first of all, we need to make sure that PHP must be greater than 7.1.3 or equal to. Okay, so now what I am going to see, yeah, Xampp, or yeah, you can download these latest Xampp from their website. Okay, so you can go in this website, download, and you can download the latest version. See, it's version, you can see, yeah, here you can see the version, latest version. You can install 7.2.9. This version you can install. This it carries PHP 7.2.9, or you can also install our 7.1.3. Oh yeah, it's better to install this version only. Okay, so you can install this version. Okay, so so you can, for Windows it is available, and for Linux as well it is available, for Mac operating system as well it is available. So So you can install as per your operating system, and okay. So these you can install from this link. Okay, I just provide you this link. You can install Xampp, latest Xampp. Okay, latest Xampp as per your operating system, your operating system from below link. Okay, so you can install from this link. Okay, but make sure PHP version must be greater than or equal to what version? We just simply 7.1.3. Okay, so this thing we need to make sure while installing Xampp. Okay, and Wamp also you can install. Your link is available. Okay, so you need to just follow these steps, and that will be installed. And Wamp server I never installed, but you can find this their own website. I think this is not this one Wamp server. Mm, uh, I don't know much about Wamp. I never installed, but you will get links on installing Wamp as well. And Wamp, this is okay. Server, Wamp server. Okay, installation download. Installing downloads. Okay, Wamp server 64-bit. Okay, this is Apache Web PHP. So yeah, you can install this one. See download directly, and export is you can see export as well. Web server PHP export. Okay, so it is 7.1.9 and our is 7.1.3. Okay, yeah, you can install from this link. This Wamp server you can install. Okay, its port is PHP 5.6 its port, and it also supports 7.0.23, and it also supports 7.1.9. So you can install Wamp as well. Okay, from this link you can also install Wamp from below link. Okay, below link. If you don't want to install Xampp, then you can install Wamp. Okay, so after installing this, you can then come to know, after just opening localhost, you just need to open localhost, and you can find your PHP version, that which PHP version is there. And we will going to see PHP info. Sorry, PHP info. We are going to see 7.2.2. Okay, so it is the latest version, so we can continue installing the Laravel. Okay, so now we will install Laravel in our next step. We are going to, sorry, we will first install Composer. Okay, so now we will install Composer. Okay, and uh, Composer is like a tool for dependency management in PHP. Okay, okay, it contains some libraries and that assure to install Laravel in a proper way. So see, installing Laravel utilizes Composer to manage its dependencies. So before using Laravel, make sure you have Composer installed on your system. So we need to install Composer as well, and you can install Composer from this link. Okay, so you must know that Composer is a tool for dependency management in and in PHP, and we can install Composer from below link. And okay, so you can straight away I think, yeah, click on this okay, link, link. If you are using Windows, then for your path, okay, fine. So this is the link actually. Yeah, we have to on open link and copy link address. You can directly link uh, or directly download for Windows. Uh, okay, so we can directly download this one from this link, and now I am going to run. All it's already installed, but I will install again. It will not make any difference. So you need to install the composer where you have installed your Xampp. Okay, so developer mode, you can make it on, no issue. And see here, now you need to set the path of your Xampp. Okay, like uh, we will set the path. We are going to install it in F drive. In F we are going to install in Xampp. Okay, and going to see the PHP path. Okay, PHP. Inside PHP we are going to see, yeah, it is fine. Here we can install. Okay, so see here, uh, choose the command line PHP you want to use. It's fine. Okay, so this one we can select this path. Okay, where the composer is going to install. Okay, and here we have it's already selected Xampp php.php.exe. Next we are going to click on next, and it will install. So you can skip this step, means click on next and install now, and you'll see in few minutes it's going to install composer. So yeah, it is finished. Okay, now the composer has been installed. Now we can open our Xampp control panel and click on shell to see whether composer has been installed or not. You can type here composer and see that whether it has been installed or not. See, it has been installed. Okay, see, composer has been installed. Okay, so after download the setup, just install it in your Xampp folder. Okay, uh, at path, you know, at your PHP path. Okay, at path, like you can say Xampp PHP php.exe. Okay, and after that installation, you can check in shell in your Xampp control panel. If you are using Xampp, just okay, just give this composer, type composer and run. composer command, composer related command you can able to see. Okay, so composer has been installed now. Okay, you have seen that composer has been installed. Now we have Xampp, we have composer. Now we are ready to go with Laravel installation. Okay, so the last step, we need to install Laravel now. Okay, so now we will install Laravel 5.7. Okay, now we have installed Xampp latest version with PHP greater than equal to 7.1.6. Okay, and 7.1.3. Okay, and and composer also installed. So now we are ready to install Laravel 5.7 project. Okay, so here we will give now, we will go in Laravel 5.7 installation windows once again. Okay, so simply open below Laravel 5.7 link. Okay, and follow instructions, and you can able to instructions. Okay, see, we have two ways to install Laravel 5.7. First is the via composer. Okay, so this command we need to give here is it is this command that we need to give here. This one is the composer feedback. This one is the composer command, and this one is just the another Laravel command, and this one is the blog. Okay, this one is the project name. This one you can change. Okay, you can make it Laravel 5.7. Okay, like this, Laravel 5.7. This one is the project name. Okay, so it will install this project and with this name. Okay, uh, and another way to install Laravel 5.7 is directly like this. Okay, so directly like this, Laravel new, then see here, this is the project name. Like project name, I'm going to write that will be clear to you. Project name. Okay, this one is the project name, and here also we can install like this, Laravel new project name. Okay, so we can install via composer. We can install directly like this, Laravel new via Laravel command. You can say via composer command. Okay, say like this, we can install. Okay, and now we can choose with any of the method, and we just need to go to our folder, Laravel folder, and here we will do that Git Bash here. Git you can install as well. Okay, so you can install. See, I have used Git here, and you can also use command prompt, and you can install Git as well. Okay, uh, install Laravel via Git. Okay, and there is separate tutorial you will able to find. Okay, so see here, use Git Bash to install Laravel. Okay, so if you want to install Git to install Laravel, this one also you can choose. Okay, so the address I will just give you. Okay, so you can install Git Bash as well to install and run Laravel, and okay, by following below link. Okay, so you can follow this link and to see that Git Bash will be helpful for us. It is of course in 5.6 it's installed, but the process is same. Okay, so now we are going to install Laravel new. Okay, and now I am going to install like Laravel 5.7. Okay, this one Laravel 5.7 name we can give, or we can give any meaningful name. Okay, later on, like we are going to make some e-commerce project in Laravel 5.7. If we want to migrate our earlier e-commerce project that we have done in Laravel 5.7, then we can give any meaningful name to it. Okay, so so okay, right now I can give Laravel 5.7, no issue. So I am going to install Laravel new Laravel 5.7. Okay, so I'm going to enter and we'll see that will it will install or not. See, it started installing. Okay, so uh, it will take some time to install Laravel 5.7. In the meantime, we can study more about Laravel 5.7, that what it actually means to us. Okay, so you can follow other things as well in Laravel 5.7. Okay, so configuration, the basics, front end, security, everything is there. If you follow complete things, you will able to learn about Laravel very easily. Okay, installation, after installation, there are configuration as well, practice structure, homestead. Okay, so this is complete tutorial about Laravel, and if you follow everything, see here we are installing, is installation is going on, Laravel 5.7 installation is going on. Okay, so if you follow all these steps carefully, then you will able to learn about Laravel 5.7 very easily. Okay, so right from the beginning, documentation is available here as well. Okay, so server requirements, installation, configuration, pretty well. Okay, so everything must be clear. Okay, so the application key is also there. We need to run this application key if it is required. It sometimes gives error to us, like in Laravel 5.6, it gives some error to us when we install Laravel 5.6 from scratch. Okay, so there are ways to install, and there are a lot of help given on the net, given on Google, and you can search and you can find the solution if you will face any difficulties. Okay, and here it is taking time. Okay, so installation is going fine. Okay, so uh, let's complete this installation, then we will continue. We will also uh, check its version after after the installation is complete, then we will check its version as well. Okay, so later on in this series we are going to migrate our projects. Okay, see our projects, some of the projects that we have done, that we will migrate. Okay, so e-commerce and dating project, we can easily migrate uh, from Laravel 5.6 to Laravel 5.7. Okay, so it's very easy. Means, uh, only few steps you need to take, and you are ready to go. And if you have any project in Laravel 5.6 earlier on, then that project you can simply update to Laravel 5.7. But the problem comes when you have project in Laravel 5.7, and you want to migrate it to lower version like Laravel 5.4. Then much problem will come, because then Laravel 5.7 means new commands will never run in old old version, but old commands can run in new version. So basically, we can migrate from old to new, but not new to old. And if you want to migrate from old or from new to old, then you need to means change some of the commands. Might be you have used new commands of Laravel, and then you need to shift back. You need to do some coding changing. So we will see once again if it is still going on, and we will continue continue waiting for it, and let it complete. Then we will move forward. So there is lot of help given on net as well that you can follow, and you can see regarding composer as well. You can study about composer as well. Okay, here you can see it is the dependency management tool, and composer for composer you have a project that depends on number of libraries. Some of those libraries depends on other libraries. Okay, so composer manages all that, and composer enables you to declare the libraries you depend on, finds out which version of which package can and need to be installed and installs them. Okay, so Composer also have some requirements. Composer is available if your PHP version is more than PHP 5.3.2. So installation, Linux, Unix, operating that operating system things. So that is the requirement for Composer, and uh, that also you can look for it. And here installation is still going on. The Laravel installation has come to an over, and it installed our Laravel 5.7. Now the Laravel 5.7 has been installed. Now we will check that whether it is installed. So we will run now command. Okay, run Laravel. Okay, by giving below command that we all know how to run, php artisan serve. Okay, this is the command that we will use now. We'll see that it will run or not, and we will see now. Php artisan serve, and no, could not open input file artisan, and I'm not sure that why this error has come. File artisan serve, and okay, sorry. Oh, what I am doing, I need to go to exit. Okay, so what a foolish mistake. I need to go in that folder that we have installed. So sorry for that. Laravel 5.7. You need to go to that folder first. Okay, so see uh, now yeah, what's happening now. Laravel 5.7 is installed. So exit uh, current Git Bash and go to your project folder and right click it to run again, or command prompt you can run. Okay, I'm going to run again in Laravel 5.7 Git Bash here, and you can use command prompt as well. Okay, so here I will run here in the project is run. So here now it comes. Now see, run Laravel by giving below command. Okay, PHP command in project folder. Okay, in correct folder only, PHP artisan serve. Now we will check for our that it is installed or not. We will see Laravel has been installed and it is working fine. Okay, see this, it has been installed and working fine. Now we will find its version. Okay, check Laravel version by giving below command, that is PHP artisan. I think it is like this version. Okay, so we will check now. We need to open one more Git Bash here. So PHP artisan version. See, now it has been installed Laravel 5.7.3. You can able to see that it is coming as Laravel 5.7.3. You able to see. Okay, I hope you able to see Laravel 5.7.3 is coming. So you can see. Okay, so you can see it is working fine, and you can see it will show Laravel 5.7.3. It means Laravel 5.7 has been installed successfully. Okay. And we're able to run it as well, and you can see. Okay, so that's all for now. And if in case some issue comes, and this time no issue has come, I am really surprised that no issue has come. And if in case the issue comes like encryption key issue, sometimes that encryption key issue comes. Okay, see here, if some key issue, encryption key issue comes. Okay, uh, 6 point encryption key issue, uh, if any means, if such key issue comes, then run below command to register new encryption key. Okay, and then restart Laravel server again. Means close the Laravel means server, means close that Git Bash, and means close Git Bash and run it again with PHP artisan serve command. Issue will be gone. Okay, so this process we have done for installation of Laravel 5.7 from scratch. I hope that everything is clear to you and you able to install Laravel 5.7. In next video, we are going to migrate. In next video, we will migrate our old Laravel 5.6 project to Laravel 5.7. Okay, so stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we will see that how we can able to migrate Laravel 5.6 to Laravel 5.7. Okay, so that's all for now, and have a good time. Take care. Bye.